If you want to use Circle to Search on Google Pixel 10a, if you use the gesture for navigation, you want to press and hold your finger on the navigation bar that we have at the bottom of the screen. And in case you use 3 buttons for navigation, you want to press and hold your finger on the home button. Now you should be able to draw a shape around the subject or a person that you want to look for in Google. As you can see, we have Google search in here, and the selected area is the reference for the search. Besides that, you can also usually tap on the subject as well. This works too. And also you can tap on text, for example, in case you want to copy it or if you want to search for the definition or stuff like that. Besides that, Google Circle to Search also has the option to recognize music. If we use this note button here at the bottom of the screen, then our phone starts listening to the background, and we can actually get the song title if the phone recognizes the song, of course, and you get Google search result, of course, with the song title and of course the artist as well. And also we have screen translation, so if we tap on this translation button here on the right side, then we should be able to translate our screen quite easily. And we can also tap on this button in here right next to the translation. So as you can see here, we have this translation button. Right next we have a additional button that allows us to scroll down, so you can actually scroll down and get the translation afterwards. There you go. So that's pretty much it. And of course, Circle to Search can be enabled or disabled. So if you press and hold your finger on the navigation bar or the home button, and if it doesn't work, then you want to open the settings, and then we're gonna go to display and touch, and then in here we need to find the navigation mode and make sure that Circle to Search is enabled. Leave a like and subscribe.